All right, another SimpleShot Pro Tip. So you're getting into the slingshot world and you're seeing all these strange monikers like OTT and TTF and butter and margarine and yeah, we have a lot of fun here. It's goofy. But OTT, let's start with that one. That stands for over the top. And what that is referring to is the way the bands are attached to the slingshot. So if you think about an old school natural slingshot off of just a tree fork, you attach the bands. Some people attach them to the front. We'll get into that later. But this one's set up in what we call over the top. See how the bands come over the top? So when I'm ready to shoot it, I'm actually drawing the bands over the top of the slingshot. We can see that here with the Scout slingshot. This is the over the top setup for it here. And with the Ocularis system, there's an over the top setup. So with an over-the-top slingshot, the bands, upon release, truly do travel over the top of the slingshot and release the projectile. Whereas a band set that we call TTF, or through the forks, actually goes between the forks. And we'll get into that next. All right, so that's the basics of OTT for you. We'll bring a lot more to you. We love your comments. Keep them coming. And don't forget to get out and shoot your slingshot.